Here is a video that I've been wanting to do for a long time, so here it is. 5 things that would draw attention to your project by anyone driving by your house that might work for the building department or code enforcement in your area. And they come across a trash pile, or maybe even a trash dumpster, or even bags of trash, suggesting that you might be doing some remodeling work without a building permit. And for those of you who are not familiar with today's technology, most building inspectors and code enforcement officials can enter something on a portable device like their cell phone that will take them to the city or county building department website where they can enter in your address to see if you have or have not pulled any building permits. Number 2, no visible building materials, and this would include a granny flat in your backyard. Number 3, no heavy equipment. Maybe you're going to be digging a trench for some plumbing pipes and you forgot to pull the right building permits, or you didn't pull any building permits. And number 4, don't work in the front of the house. Don't work in areas where you can be seen by people driving by, and roofers are notorious for getting caught because they can't hide. And number 5 on the list, loud, obnoxious noises like jackhammering. I cannot tell you how many times I've heard a jackhammer running before working hours and after working hours. And if you have a permit or you don't have a building permit and you don't want to get in trouble, make sure that you know the hours that you're allowed to work in a residential neighborhood. And I think the most important thing you should take away from this video is that if you are going to have problems with any of these rules, you're going to need a large trash dumpster, you're going to be making a lot of noise, then definitely pull a permit. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos on YouTube. And if you can't find the videos on YouTube, make sure that you visit our website to find a complete organized list of all of the videos we've made so far.